Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm actually going to be recreating my wedding hair. Here it is. I loved my wedding hair. Oh my god. Shout out to Bobby from Makeup by Roxy because she killed it and I just really liked my wedding hair. I'm gonna try my best to recreate it. I think I got it. I think I got this. So stay tuned. Thank you so much InStyler for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be using their curling wand to create the curls for today's hairstyle. So this actually retails for $95. If you guys want to check it out, I'm gonna link it down below. This is actually the robe that I used for my wedding. I tried to do kind of like a nice bridal makeup look, but I don't know, I think I did alright. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also, follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. So right now my curling wand is warming up. And so the cool thing about this wand is that you can place your hair in here. Like you can curl it and then place the ends like here, and it holds your ends, which is pretty interesting. Okay, so I'm just going to do a couple of curls with my curling wand. I'm just gonna wrap my hair around the wand. This is a 1-inch curling wand, and I actually have it in the highest heat setting because I want really tight curls. Here you go. Beautiful, bouncy curl. I'm gonna do another curl back here. And there you have it. I'm gonna add a little bit of hairspray so that the curls can last a little bit. I'm not gonna add too much because I'm actually not gonna wear this like hairstyle for the whole day, so I don't really need to add too much hairspray, but I totally recommend doing that. I mean, even though my hair kind of got poofy anyways the day of my wedding because it was just so humid, but at least the curls lasted a little bit. So yeah, all I'm doing is just taking small sections and wrapping my hair around the wand. I actually am super excited to be trying on the headband from my wedding, which is right here. I loved it. It was so cute. I actually got it from Etsy, and I got my earrings from Etsy as well. And I totally recommend checking out Etsy for wedding stuff, even jewelry and headpieces. They actually have a lot of stuff. So this is gonna go right on top. And I just loved the headpiece that I used for my wedding because it's so me. Like, I love using headbands, I love putting my hair back, and I love having just like a statement headpiece, you know what I mean? Like, I just didn't want anything super simple, and I wanted something big that would really like catch everybody's attention. Especially my husband's. He loved my hair for my wedding. Yeah, as you can see, I'm getting some really nice bouncy curls. I think this is a great 1-inch curling wand. It's very easy to use and it gives you some really nice curls. I guess you can leave your hair like this, put the ends like inside this tip and just like not use your hands. But yeah. Right now I'm using the highest heat setting, which is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To me, I think that's okay. I don't think it's too hot. And since I'm just doing curls, I kind of just want the highest heat setting so that the curls can be more tight and defined. For the front pieces, I'm just going to curl like half. So just about this much, because she did kind of sleek back the front. So that's the type of curl that you're supposed to get in the front. Now I'm gonna do this side. So a couple things that I really like about this curling iron is that it features a woven ceramic covered barrel that serves as a built-in heat protectant. So it protects your hair from the heat a lot more, with 92% less damage, which is pretty crazy. I couldn't believe that percentage. It's like pretty impressive. It also has an automatic shut off, so if you leave it on by accident, it's gonna turn off after a couple of minutes. So that is pretty nice. If you guys want to save some coins, all you have to do is use my code Julissa25 to save $25 off your purchase. So this curling iron would only be $70. So yeah, use my code and save some money. Okay, so now that I have my curls, which by the way looks so nice, I really like this curling wands. I think it gives you some really nice 1-inch curls. So I'm gonna take my comb and I'm going to divide the front section. So this is probably the trickiest part because you just really got to make sure that you're able to separate everything and not mess up the curls that you already have going on. So as you can see, I divided these parts, the front part from the back. So I'm gonna use my comb to kind of sleek it back a little bit. But I'm actually going to pass it behind my ear, and then back here I'm gonna bobby pin it for now. I'm gonna do the same with this side. I'm gonna bring it behind my ear and bobby pin it back here for now. I wish I had an elastic, but I don't, so I'm just gonna use a regular hair tie. So I'm just tying the back. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of hairspray on the front and use a brush to really make the front flat, like very sleek. So now I'm gonna put my hair down again. As you can see, I kind of created a little bit of a hair headband. I'm gonna just touch up on some curls that are like in the front. I really want to make sure that those curls are like the nicest curls, so I'm gonna touch up on some of them and recurl the curl. So you can take smaller sections and just like really focus on getting some really nice curls on the top. The next step is to put on the headpiece. It's nice because you can kind of like open it up and close it and stuff. It's very flexible. I'm gonna try to find it and link it down below. With the bobby pin, you kind of like pin it. Now I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair because I want the curls to look a little bit more loose. You can also use your comb to give it a more like Hollywood look. Alright guys, here's the final look. I'm feeling like a bride again, and I just want to like take a bunch of selfies now. But yeah, I'm really liking my wedding hair look. I hope you guys like it. It was actually not that hard to do. Of course, it's not the same as on my wedding day. Like on my wedding day it was a lot better, but I mean, at least I tried, and I think I did create a really nice hair look, and I feel and look like a bride, which is nice. I mean, that's what I was trying to accomplish. So yeah, here is my final look. Go check out this hair tool. I really do recommend it. I love it, and I did create some really nice curls with it. So check it out. I'm gonna link it down below. If you want me to try to, I don't know, do another wedding related video, maybe recreating my wedding makeup, which is probably gonna be even harder for me, but if you guys want me to do that, let me know in the comments down below and I can totally do that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.